At month 1, at the very beginning, I took a video of him reading. I have the same passage. It took forever to read 200 words. And he closed the book, and he looked at me and said, "That was bad." I said, "Well, that's okay, but that's why we're here. It's going to be okay." It took a couple months because they're starting way at the beginning of making sounds. Then once they tackled that and filled in those gaps, then you're able to put the sounds together, make words, and then you put the words together, make sentences. And it's not even just the ability to sound them out and read them, but being able to communicate them verbally and then be able to write them are all different pathways that needed to be tackled. So kind of for my own making sure that the program was working, I put the book away so he couldn't memorize it, didn't know what he read, couldn't remember what he read, and then brought it out 2 months later or 3 months later and had him read the same passage. And the way he was able to read was actually mind-blowing.
Harry screamed to the group zombies. A group of green-eyed zombies slowly walked towards the entrance to Steve's